Introducing iPhone 17 Pro.
The Tesla Pi phone promises free Starlink, advanced tech, and durability. Could this finally topple Apple? Elon Musk's Tesla Pi phone could redefine smartphones, offering lifetime free internet, top-tier durability, and unique integration with Starlink.
iPhone 17 Pro.
And here's where it gets interesting. If you're thinking of splurging on the iPhone 17, hold on for a sec. On paper, it looks sleek, shiny, and brand new. But in reality, it's barely a step up from the iPhone 16. Battery life? Sacrificed? Performance? Slightly worse for the sake of that glossy, new design everyone's hyped about. Apple's marketing machine is good at making it seem revolutionary, but anyone who's been following closely knows this. The Tesla Pi phone isn't just a competitor, it might just make you question why you ever cared about a new iPhone at all.
Wow.
But then we swing to the Pi phone, and suddenly everything shifts. The base model lands at $789, already undercutting Apple's high-end pricing. And here's the kicker. If you jump in early, you're locked into lifetime free Starlink internet. Think about that. Fremont's production line is humming, cranking these phones out faster than Apple ever could. Remember how Tesla revolutionized car production? Same play here. Elon's not just making a phone, he's building a launch that's part tech, part ecosystem, and part game changer. And trust me, once the first units hit the market, everyone will be watching. And this is where your jaw might hit the floor. The Pi phone doesn't need a cell tower. None. Zip. Nada. Instead, it talks directly to the Starlink satellites, orbiting just 550 kilometers above. Picture it. The Sahara Desert, the middle of the Pacific. A tiny village with zero Wi-Fi. Everywhere, instantly connected. That's wild, right? And here's the real kicker. The average household spends about $80 to $100 a month just to stay online. Do the math? That's close to $1,000 a year, almost $3,000 in 3 years, gone. With the Pi phone, that money stays in your pocket. Suddenly, the idea of a phone paying for itself isn't crazy anymore. Imagine having a device that frees you from internet bills while keeping you connected anywhere on Earth. Yeah, it's kind of insane. And here's where it really starts to blow your mind. Imagine being 30,000 feet in the air, everyone struggling with slow, flaky airplane Wi-Fi, and you're streaming 4K movies without a hitch. Or picture yourself in the middle of the ocean, video calling your family like you're sitting in your living room. That's the Pi phone. And it's not just about staying connected. The latency is a crazy low 20 to 30 milliseconds. That's fast enough to game online, join Zoom calls, or do anything real-time without hearing that annoying robot voice. It's like the world just got smaller. But wait, it's about to get way more insane. This phone isn't just a phone. It's a control center for everything Tesla. Your car, solar panels, and even Optimus robots. Want your Tesla to start pre-cooling while you're walking out the door? Done. Check your solar battery levels from the couch? Easy. Tell Optimus to clean up the kitchen while you sip coffee? You got it. No other smartphone even comes close to this kind of integration. Apple and Samsung phones are cool, sure, but the Pi phone turns the smartphone into a hub, a command center, a literal orchestrator of your digital and physical world. And here's the part that makes me almost forget the iPhone exists. The Pi phone is built like a tank. The frame? Recycled aerospace-grade aluminum paired with a nano-ceramic coating. Scratch-resistant glass, with options for sapphire or hybrid ceramic. Think drop it. Forget about it. Unlike the iPhone, which struggles after a couple of years, Tesla designed this beast to last 5 to 7 years without slowing down. Water? No problem. It has an IP68 rating. plus an active system that pushes water out, so you can rinse it under a faucet or take it in the rain without flinching. Drops, rain, ocean splashes. This phone isn't just surviving it, it's thriving. Durability isn't a feature here, it's the whole philosophy. And this part literally made me do a double take. The Pi phone camera is not just better, it's next level. The main sensor jumps to 1/1.2 inches, just slightly bigger than the iPhone's 1/1.28 inches. But that tiny bump makes a noticeable difference. Pixels are 2.1 micrometers compared to the iPhone's 1.9 micrometers, meaning low-light shots aren't a gamble anymore. Shadows pop, colors feel natural, and noise barely there. The aperture drops to f/1.6, letting in about 20% more light for indoor or sunset shots without leaning on AI magic. Speaking of AI, Tesla's keeping it subtle. Less processing, more real-world clarity. And stabilization? 5-axis gimbal-style tech turns shaky handheld video into buttery smooth footage. Travel vloggers, content creators, anyone who hates fuzzy videos, this phone is built for you. Here's where the Pi phone really flexes. Battery. It packs 6,265 milliamp hours, easily outlasting the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 4,676 milliamp hours. That's 2 to 3 days of regular use versus the iPhone's barely 1 to 1.5 days. But it's not just size, it's tech. Tesla's using aluminum-ion batteries, which hold more energy, generate less heat, and stay healthy for years. And charging? Smart fast charging hits 80% in just 35 to 40 minutes, balancing speed with long-term battery life. They've even toyed with ultra-thin solar panels on the back, perfect for emergencies, camping, or hiking. You may not rely on sunlight daily, but it's a backup that actually works, not a gimmick. Long story short, this phone is built to go the distance, and it's not asking for a daily pit stop.
Grok 3 has very, very powerful reasoning capabilities. In the tests that we've done thus far, Grok 3 is outperforming anything that's been released.
And now, the brain behind the phone. XOS. Built on Linux, Tesla controls everything. No middle layers, no Google, no Apple, and no sneaky ad tracking. The system teaches you not to sell you out, but to make your life easier. Grok AI? Fully embedded, no downloads, works offline, and talks to your entire Tesla ecosystem. Want your car pre-cooled while Optimus handles chores at home? Done. Your phone doesn't just run apps. It orchestrates your world. Security, privacy, and personalization are all baked in. XOS isn't just a new OS, it's a philosophy. Your data belongs to you. Your devices actually work together, and everything runs smoother than we've ever seen in a phone. It's the kind of tech that makes you wonder why no one did it sooner. And here's the reality check. The iPhone 17 may be ultra thin, but that thinness comes with headaches. Fragile frame, hotter body, expensive screen repairs, especially after a year or two. The Pi phone? Built for the long haul. Aerospace-grade alloy, scratch-resistant glass, and an IP68 water resistance system that actually works. Price-wise, Pi starts at $789 versus the iPhone's $1,599. Factor in lifetime free Starlink, longer lifespan, and fewer repair headaches, and suddenly the math is glaringly obvious. This isn't just a phone that competes, it's a device designed to save money, reduce stress, and actually serve your life instead of just looking pretty. Durability, cost-effectiveness, and integrated tech. Tesla isn't playing the same game as Apple. They're rewriting the rules. Now, let's zoom out a bit. The Pi phone isn't just another device. It has the potential to pull millions of users straight out of iOS and Android. Think back to the Model 3. Tesla offered an affordable entry point, captured the market, and then monetized the ecosystem. The same playbook could happen here. Sure, some people fear leaving familiar apps or ecosystems. But when lifetime free Starlink and full Tesla integration are on the table, those fears might melt away fast. This isn't just a phone launch. It could be the spark for a seismic shift in the smartphone world. The Tesla Pi phone isn't just another smartphone. It's a durable, cost-saving ecosystem powerhouse. Could it dethrone Apple? That's a question only time will answer. So, what's your take? Drop it in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe. I've got way more tech deep dives coming.